I welcome to all in this session. Good morning, everybody. Respected Principal Sir, worthy staff member, parents, guests, and my dear student. Today is very important day. We are going to celebrate National Sports Day on 29th August on account of birthday of hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand, the legend player of Indian hockey. मैं यहाँ कुछ शब्द कहने चाहूँगा। ऐसी महान पर्सनैलिटी सदियों में एक आध ही पैदा होती है। मेजर ध्यानचंद जी ने भारत का, हमारे देश में जब जब भी भारत का नाम रोशन किया, हमारे देश में जब जब हॉकी गेम की बात चलेगी तो मेजर ध्यानचंद जी को ज़रूर याद किया जाएगा। मेजर ध्यानचंद ने भारतवर्ष का नाम पूरी दुनिया में रोशन किया। मेजर ध्यानचंद was famous Indian player. Even today, he considered to be the best hockey player that India has ever produced. At the age of 16, following the footsteps of his father, Dhyanchand also joined the Indian Army. Dhyanchand also joined the Indian Army. His outstanding performance in the Army hockey tournament and regimental game brought his hidden potential as a great hockey player into limelight. He was unanimously chosen for Indian Army, which was to tour New Zealand. He was born on 29 August 1905 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. His father, Shamsher Singh was Dutt Singh, was Subedar in Indian Army and played hockey for Indian Army. His father served the Indian Army as a Subedar and played the game of hockey, initially known as Dhyan Singh. He had two brothers named Mool Singh and Roop Singh. Later, one to being an accomplished hockey player. Dhyanchand could not resume his study after 6th standard, as his family used to move from one place to another before finally settling down permanently in Jhansi. Introduction to hockey in his younger days, Dhyan was not much interested into sports, although he liked wrestling a lot. He started playing hockey with his friend who used to themselves make hockey stick from tree branches and balls from rag cloth. At the age of 14 years, he visited a hockey match with his father, where one team was down by 2 goals. He insisted his father to play from the losing side. When an army officer let him do so, Dhyan scored 4 goals for the team. Impressed by his skill, the officer offered him to join the army. At the age of 16 years, Dhyan was inducted into the Punjab Regiment as a spy. In the year 1922, Subedar Major Bhole Tiwari of Brahman Regiment became Dhyan Chand's mentor, inside the army and taught him the basics of game. Pankaj Gupta was the first coach of Dhyan Singh, who was predicted that one day he would shine like moon. Dhyan Chand came to know as Dhyan Chand. After that, beginning of legendary day, there are many incidents that describe the grandeur of Dhyan Chand's amazing skill as a wonderful hockey player. In one of them, he scored 3 goals in the last 4 minutes of match, wherein his team was losing by 2 goals and got his team the victory in the match. This was the final match of the Punjab Infantry tournament in Jhelum. After this match, Dhyan Chand was named as a hockey wizard. Dhyan Chand delivered a brilliant performance in the first provincial national hockey tournament that was organized in the year 1925. 5 teams was United Provinces, Punjab, Bengal, Rajputana and Central Provinces participated in the tournament. On the basis of his performance in the tournament, he was selected for International Hockey Team of India. International career in the year 1926, Dhyan Chand was selected for the Indian hockey team going to visit New Zealand at tour. During the tour, Indian team scored 20 goals in match played at Dhankrikai, and Dhyan Chand alone had scored 10 of them. India played 21 matches on the tour, out of which it won 80, one lose, and drew 2 matches. Team scored a total number of 192 goals, and Dhyan Chand alone had scored over 100 of them. After his return to India, he was promoted to the post of lieutenant in the army. At the London Folkestone Festival in 1927, he scored 36 goals out of India's total 72 goals in 10 matches played at the event. He played for the Indian hockey team in the Amsterdam Olympic game in 1928 and scored 2 out of the 3 goals in the final match against Netherlands, getting India the gold medal by 3-0. In Los Angeles Olympic 1932, Indian team led by Lal Shah Bukhari again won the gold medal. In the tournament, Indian hockey team defeated the USA hockey team by 23-1. These 23 goals, which remain a world record until it was broken in the year 2003. Of these 23 goals, 8 were scored alone by Dhyan Chand. In the event, Dhyan Chand scored 12 goals for India in two matches. In the Berlin Olympic 1932, Indian had successfully treated their path to the final, crushing Hungary by 4-0. USA by 7-0 and Japan 9-0 without conceding a single goal. In the tournament, team defeated France in semi-final by 10 goals and was going to combat Germany in the final. In the final match, India's squad could score only one goal till the interval. Dhyan Chand removed his shoe in the interval and played the match barefooted onward. India won. Indian team won the match and the gold medal by 8-1. Hitler, the German dictator, supposedly offered Dhyan Chand a higher post in the German army than the one he was holding in the Indian army. But he politely denied the offer. He kept playing till the age of 42 years and retired from the game in the year 1948. Dhyan Chand met Don Bradman, the cricket player, at Adelaide in the year 1935. After watching him play hockey, Bradman commented he scored goal-like runs in cricket. Achievement of Dhyan Chand. Indian hockey team won 3 gold in Olympic. In the year 1928 in Amsterdam, in 1932 at Los Angeles, and in 1936 in Berlin under the captainship of Major Dhyan Chand. In 1956, he retired from the Indian Army with the rank of Major, and in the same year he was honored with the Padma Bhushan Award. After his retirement, Major Dhyan Chand took the position of Chief Hockey Coach at the National Institute of Sports, Patiala, last moment and death. He spent the last part of his life in his hometown Jhansi. It is saddening to know that in his last day the legendary player was completely forgotten and ignored by the nation for which he played. He was not even able to get proper medical treatment toward the end. This worthy son of India silently left for his heavenly abode on December 3, 1979. Interesting fact about Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand's real name was Dhyan Singh. His coach Pankaj Gupta confirmed the title Chand upon him in the bid to compare. His praiseworthy skillfulness in playing hockey with the shining moon. Major Dhyan Chand is also known as the Wizard of Hockey. In his early day, Dhyan Chand had no interest in playing hockey. He loved wrestling instead. He did not wear shoe in the final match of Berlin Olympic. To increase his speed, India won the match by 8-1. In his career, Major Dhyan Chand scored over 1000 goals. He is the only hockey player so far to have been awarded the Padma Bhushan Award. His birthday is celebrated as the Indian Sports Day. Thank you, all of you.